Hey, it's David Seay with the brokerage.
John Tafoe with the brokerage.
We're here to tell you about 4268 Spruill Avenue. It's over a 7,000 square foot flex warehouse.
Great spot up here in North Charleston, Spruill Avenue. If you don't know, they're getting ready to expand this Spruill Avenue, put some great parking right on the street, so it's good access, people to come in and out.
It's very close to the popular Park Circle. There's so many ways to access this property, whether you're coming from 526 or I-26. It really is in the middle of everything.
It is. North Charleston has really become the hub of the low country, so easy access to 526. 26, you're downtown in no time. Great spot.
Yeah, and it's currently operating as a gymnasium, so we're standing in a yoga room, but we're going to show you that it has a large open floor plan.
This place is already broken down. They've got some great offices inside, so you could really move right in here, David.
You could. Offices, great restrooms, a lot of flexibility, and a flexible floor plan. So whatever you're thinking of, it's pretty self-explanatory, but we're happy to show you. If you'd like to come take a look, you can reach me, David, at 843-364-6720.
And you can reach me, 843-813-1228.
Thank you very much.